I'm Hayley and I work in the operations department at Aerobotics. So my role as operations associate, and that generally involves the day-to-day management of the processing pipeline, managing the job queues to ensure that we get everything done within our time limit, or our target, which is to process our data in 3 days, or 95% of our data within 3 days. I joined Aerobotics in September of 2018 as an intern, and I've been here since. So a typical day at work is we get in, generally I will check my emails and the job queues just to know what we have to do during the day and to set certain targets, and then get our standard coffee during the day, which is a nice little walk, and then once we come back it's just business as usual. Every day is different, but it follows the same trends. So managing the pipeline, like I said, communicating to our data validators, and then doing analytics on the pipeline to see where we can improve and where we can become more efficient. Sure, I had to think long and hard about this, but I think if I could become an expert in anything, it would be languages, and not coding languages. I know this is a software company, but just actual languages. I really enjoy traveling, and I think it's super important to interact with people of different cultures and immerse yourself in their culture, and it is something I'm quite passionate about. So yeah, being able to speak many or multiple languages. In life would definitely be the people I surround myself with and the relationships with my friends and family. But barring that, I would say, to get through our everyday at work, Michelle and I on our daily snack runs, I don't think I'd be able to go through a day without our treats. And we've become known in the office to be the source of the snacks. So we have multiple guests every day coming to us and sharing our treats. I'd have to say mangoes, even though they're an absolute mission to peel, they are just so tasty and delicious and remind me of summer, and I really enjoy summer. It has to be my favorite season.